Hey, I'm Martin and I help manufacturers to make great quality products. And in today's video, I want to dive into the concept of traceability in manufacturing. I'll explore its importance, some of the cost benefits, and what steps you would need to take to implement an effective traceability system. So let's get started. So traceability in manufacturing means monitoring the journey of a product from sourcing the raw materials through the production processes and then finally to the distribution and delivery to the end customer. And this detailed tracking allows manufacturers to maintain comprehensive records that verify the quality and the safety of their products. But traceability is more than just a regulatory requirement, it's a strategic tool that can offer many benefits to manufacturers. So firstly, traceability can significantly reduce costs through better quality control and fewer recalls. By continuously monitoring every step of the production process, manufacturers can identify potential quality issues early. And this proactive approach reduces costs, reduces scrap and rework, and reduces downtime. But additionally, in the event of a defect, traceability allows for the precise identification of the affected batches, leading to targeted recalls rather than broad, costly ones. This minimises the financial impact and improves the brand's reputation. Also, traceability can help with regulatory compliance by providing the necessary documentation for industry standards. It also boosts customer confidence because they're offering transparency about the products and safety, building trust into that brand. So overall, effective traceability streamlines operations, enhances product quality, and reduces the likelihood and cost of recalls. So let's look at the cost benefits of traceability. It can lead to cost savings in two main areas: improved quality control and fewer rework and recalls. So looking at quality control first, real-time monitoring and early issue detection are pivotal components of traceability that enhance quality control. By continuously tracking every stage of the production process, you gain immediate visibility into operations, allowing swift identification of any deviations or anomalies. And this instant detection enables prompt corrective action, preventing minor issues escalating into significant defects. So as a result, you can ensure that only products meeting the highest quality standards proceed through the production line, and this reduces the need for rework and minimises downtime. So this is a proactive approach that not only maintains product quality, but also optimises operational efficiency and delivers cost savings. So traceability can also contribute to cost savings from fewer product recalls by allowing manufacturers to precisely identify and isolate defective products. When a defect is detected, a robust system can quickly pinpoint specific batches affected, enabling targeted recalls instead of excessive costly ones. And this precision reduces the volume of products that need to be withdrawn from the market, and that cuts down on recall related expenses like logistics, replacements, and customer compensation. But additionally, the ability to efficiently manage recalls protects the brand's reputation by demonstrating a commitment to quality and accountability. It enhances transparency and reliability, fostering customer confidence in the safety and quality of products. This safeguards existing customers, and it can also attract new customers, ensuring the health and the growth of the company. So to implement traceability in the manufacturing process, I've got a few key steps to follow. First, map out the entire production process, identifying all the critical points where data needs to be collected and tracked. This includes the sourcing of raw materials, various stages of production, and the final distribution of products to customers. Next, go about selecting the appropriate technology. So while traceability can be implemented with paper and spreadsheets, this approach does come with limitations and challenges compared to digital tools. Manual systems can be prone to human error, they can be time-consuming data entry, and they can be difficult maintaining consistent and accurate records. Whereas digital tools and software can simplify the traceability process by automating the data collection, management, and the analysis of that data, and that can significantly reduce the manual effort and potential for errors, particularly on complex products or where there's lots of growth and scaling. Systems like ERP and manufacturing execution systems can ensure seamless data flow across all stages of production. And this integration allows for real-time monitoring, allowing immediate access to critical information and enabling quick resolution of any issues that come up. So barcodes and RFID systems are digital tools that can streamline the tracking of materials and products even further. They can provide precise and instantaneous data capture, which can then be stored in one of those centralized systems. So lastly, it's important to establish clear protocols for the data collection, storage and retrieval to ensure that information is accurate and available when it's needed. And then on top of that, regular audits to the system can help maintain its effectiveness and make sure it can adapt to changes in the production process or to any regulations. So just wrapping up, by carefully planning and considering these factors, manufacturers can create a comprehensive traceability system that enhances quality control, reduces costs, and improves overall operational efficiency. So thanks a lot for watching. If you'd like to dive deeper into this topic, be sure to check out the full article over on our blog. There you'll find more insights and valuable content to fuel your digital transformation journey. Take care.